Welcome to Anafram Market Perspectives.
Welcome back to Anafram Market Perspectives. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We break down the stock market trends, economic data, earnings reports, and breaking trade news to help you stay ahead. Markets face key tests: earnings, inflation, and tariffs take center stage. This week, investors are monitoring a rapidly shifting market landscape. Trump's tariffs reshaping global trade and supply chains. Inflation data influencing interest rate cut expectations. Major corporate earnings offering insight into economic resilience. Canada's political shift after Justin Trudeau steps down key questions this week. Will tech stocks continue their rebound? Or was last week's slump the start of a deeper correction? Can Mark Carney stabilize Canada's economy and renegotiate Trump's tariffs? Will inflation data push the Federal Reserve toward an earlier rate cut? Which defensive stocks and ETFs can serve as hedges in a volatile environment? S&P 500 market performance and forecast. Last week's market recap, March 4th to 8th, 2025. Tech struggles. NVIDIA fell negative 7.97%. Broadcom dropped negative 9.28% as AI stocks saw heavy selling. Tesla lost negative 6.56%, reflecting EV demand concerns and China's new tariffs on Canadian agricultural products. Financial stocks dropped, with JP Morgan down negative 4.83% and Bank of America falling negative 5.03% as interest rate expectations shifted. Consumer staples outperformed, with Procter & Gamble rising plus 1.56% and PepsiCo up plus 1.70% as investors sought safety. Pre-market performance, March 11, 2025. Tech is recovering, NVIDIA plus 1.92%, Broadcom plus 8.64%, Oracle plus 2.80%. Apple rebounded plus 1.59%, showing renewed investor confidence. Financials remain under pressure ahead of inflation data. Mark Carney takes over Canada's leadership, what it means for markets. Mark Carney has won the Liberal Party leadership race, replacing Justin Trudeau. As a former central banker, he brings strong economic expertise, but faces immediate pressure to renegotiate Trump's tariffs and restore confidence in Canadian markets. Carney's short-term strategy to deal with Trump. Leverage U.S. businesses. Carney may push American industries dependent on Canadian imports to pressure the White House. Financial market stability. His expertise in monetary policy will likely guide a strong CAD defense strategy and corporate tax incentives. Coordinated North American trade strategy. He could align with Mexico to counterbalance U.S. pressure. Market impact. CAD initially fell, but is rebounding amid optimism about Carney's leadership. Canadian energy and agriculture sectors remain volatile. Trump's tariffs shake global markets. The 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada are now in effect, but a temporary pause on USMCA-compliant goods will last until April 2nd. Meanwhile, China retaliated with $2.6 billion in tariffs on Canadian agricultural products, worsening trade tensions. Major developments. Ontario retaliated by raising electricity prices for U.S. states like Minnesota, New York, and Michigan. Mexico's President Claudia Sheinbaum pushed for a longer tariff pause, citing U.S.-Mexico economic ties. China imposed $2.6 billion in tariffs on Canadian agricultural exports. Trump's White House is weighing reciprocal tariffs on Canadian lumber and dairy. Key economic data to watch this week. Monday, March 10th, Japan GDP Q4, 0.7%, above forecast. Positive global market impact, NY Fed. Consumer inflation expectations, 3.0%, signs of slowing inflation. Tuesday, March 11th, JOLTS job openings, 7.71 million. Labor market remains tight, EIA energy outlook and West report, important for oil and agriculture stocks. Wednesday, March 12th, CPI inflation, February, 2.9% year over year, lower than expected. Potential Fed rate cut signal, Bank of Canada. Rate decision, expected cut from 3.00% to 2.75%. Thursday, March 13th, ECB interest rate decision. could impact European markets' PPI inflation, February, 0.3%, lower than expected. Key for Fed policy. Friday, March 14th, UK GDP, January, minus 0.1%, below expectations. UK economic slowdown. Michigan consumer sentiment, 63.8, weaker confidence. Baker Hughes oil rig. Count energy market volatility remains high. Key earnings to watch. This week, Monday, March 10th, Oracle expected EPS, $1.49, revenue $14.39 billion, cloud and AI demand in focus. BioNTech expected EPS 0.47, revenue $1.12 billion, vaccine and biotech sector momentum. Tuesday, March 11th, Volkswagen expected EPS $0.99, revenue $90.1 billion, EV market competition. Dick's Sporting Goods expected EPS 3.48, revenue $3.76 billion, retail health indicator. Wednesday, March 12th, Adobe expected EPS $4.97, revenue $5.66 billion, AI-driven demand for creative tools. PDD Holdings expected EPS $19.84, revenue $115 billion. China's e-commerce strength. Thursday, March 13th, Dollar General expected EPS $1.50, revenue $10.26 billion, inflation impact on discount retail. Ulta Beauty expected EPS 7.11, revenue $3.46 billion, luxury consumer spending trends. Friday, March 14th, Li Auto expected EPS $2.82, revenue $43.48 billion, EV competition and supply chain issues. BMW ADR expected EPS $1.21, revenue $47.02 billion, European auto industry outlook. Bonus. Stocks and ETF to watch this week. ETF to watch: Invesco QQQ, Tech Rebound, Ichimoku Cloud. Analysis. The price is trading above the cloud, indicating a bullish trend continuation in the short term. The cloud, Kumo, is thick, meaning strong support below. Conversion line, Tenkan-sen, is above the baseline, Kijun-sen, reinforcing bullish momentum. MACD analysis. The MACD line is above the signal line, showing strong bullish momentum. The histogram bars are increasing, confirming positive price movement. If MACD crosses below the signal line, traders should watch for a pullback before re-entering long positions. Stock 1. Oracle, Cloud and AI strength. Ichimoku. Cloud analysis. Oracle is trading near a key resistance level, but the cloud is acting as support. If the price remains above the cloud and the baseline trends upward, a breakout could occur. If it falls below the cloud, it signals potential trend weakness. MACD analysis. A bullish crossover is forming, meaning buyers are stepping in. If the MACD histogram expands positively, expect price continuation. If the MACD crosses below signal line, sellers may gain control. Stock 2. Adobe, AI and software demand. Ichimoku Cloud analysis. Adobe is trading below the cloud, meaning the overall trend is bearish. However, the conversion line is moving upward, which suggests that price may try to reclaim the cloud soon. If price moves back into the cloud, it enters a neutral zone where trend direction is unclear. MACD analysis. MACD is still below the signal line, meaning sellers have control. The histogram is decreasing in red, signaling that downward pressure may slow. If the MACD crosses above the signal line, traders could look for bullish entry opportunities. Key takeaways for Ichimoku and MACD in these stocks and ETFs. Ichimoku Cloud helps identify trend direction and support resistance levels. MACD measures momentum and trend strength. When both indicators align, Ichimoku confirming trend plus MACD momentum crossover, the best trading signals occur. How to use these together. Bullish setup. If price is above the cloud and MACD is positive, consider buying. Bearish setup. If price is below the cloud and MACD is negative, consider selling. Neutral zone. If price is inside the cloud, MACD is flat or histograms are weak. It's a wait-and-see situation. Final takeaways. Will Mark Carney's leadership stabilize Canada's markets? Will inflation push the Fed toward a June rate cut? Will tech stocks continue recovering or face another pullback? Join us Friday for our weekly market recap. Drop a comment. What stocks are you watching this week?
Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and share this with others. See you next time on Anafram Market Perspectives. Next time on Anafram Market Perspectives. Oh, you gotta love